spots.
How's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the video graphics card from a Dell Inspiron 1720. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. The first thing you want to do is slide the latches over to unlock and remove the battery. Now you're going to unscrew and remove optical drive. Next, you'll loosen the hard drive door screws. Now remove hard drive caddy screws to release hard drive. Loosen Wi-Fi door screws. Now unplug antenna cables. Next, remove bottom base screws. Remove hard drive base screws. Now pry open and remove power button cover. Next, unplug and remove Bluetooth card. The next thing you're going to do is remove the keyboard screws. Now slide up and remove keyboard. Now unscrew, then unplug LCD cable. Now loosen wireless cables and pull apart LCD assembly. The next thing you're going to do is remove screws from palmrest. Unplug and remove palmrest from base. Next, loosen screws and remove video card. Need more? Check out these other tutorials. For batteries, click here. For hard drives, click here. For wireless cards, click here. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give this video a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check the video description below for links to written tutorials and replacement parts. Need more? Check out these other